Good morning, third graders. Okay, I'm trying to be proactive here and stay ahead of the game since my little ones are on morning recess. I'm going to make our video for tomorrow. I'm going to label it with tomorrow's date, all right? And that's what I'll do. Hopefully, I can become even more ahead of the game as we progress. So if you do want to get your assignments done early, the instructions will be available to you. Okay. The first thing that we need to do for Wednesday, is turn to pages 148 and 149. Okay, what you'll be doing is you will be reading, sorry, I dropped something. You'll be reading pages 148 and 149. On the bottom of page 149, they have a couple of questions for you to answer. Please do that. All right, next, let's look at our practice book. Okay, practice book. Old Faithful, the one that we use for bell ringers, for homework, for classwork. All right, let's get bell ringer. Let's get our practice book. All right, page 71. Get with me. If you need to pause the video, please do so. Okay, here we are on page 71. We're talking about content words again. All right, we did a page 59 last week of content words. It had a picture of the Statue of Liberty. I asked you to write about landmarks that you have seen in Baton Rouge, Louisiana, or anywhere for that matter. I loved some of the ideas y'all came up with. One of my faves was LSU, all right? Y'all had Stadium, Alex Box, so many things. It was awesome. Mike the Tiger, I loved it. Put a big smile on my face, all right? LSU is cool. Go Tigers. All right. So what we are doing on this page is we are talking about content words related to voting and government. All right. Voting and government are words that are related to social studies. Okay. Now I have a true confession right here. We have to come up with 8 words that are related to voting. And I was struggling. We were struggling. All right. So we used good old faithful Google. We just Googled. Now, please try and use your brain first, okay? But if you can't come up with it, we were able to come up with 5. We couldn't come up with 3. And so I typed in words related to voting or an election. And there were so many words. Also, you may need to do this to be able to spell your word correctly, okay? Because some of the words are tough. All right, so what you'll do is you'll come up with 8 words related to voting or an election. And then on the bottom, you will define 2 of those words in your own words. It does not have to be a sophisticated definition. It just needs to let me know that you know what it means, okay? Let's look at page 72. 72 is a crossword puzzle, so that's a super fun way to practice some words instead of like just the same boring old way filling in the lines, okay? Crossword puzzles are fun. They make you exercise your brain in a different way, so have fun doing that. All right, page 73. Page 73 is talking about singular and plural nouns. All right, so here goes. Most of your singular nouns, you'll just add S, okay? You'll add an S. Dog, my dog, okay? He wouldn't stop barking earlier. Thank goodness I only have 1 dog, right? But if I had 2 dogs and I wanted to spell that word, I would just put an S to the end of it. D-O-G-S, dogs. Now, there are circumstances where you would add an ES, and some of those are if your word ends with S, CH, SH, and X, all right? There are other ways. Turn off the timer, Google. All right, recess is over, but I'm going to finish my video. Hey, Google, turn off the timer, please. Okay, sorry. Okay, so let's get back to that. You can add ES if it ends in S, CH, SH, or X, okay? There are other ways like dropping a Y and add an IES, but that's not the skill that we're going over on this page. So the only skill that we're gonna have to do is either add an S or add an ES. That's all we'll be doing. Okay, so I'm gonna give you some examples. S, all right, we ride the bus to school. The children ride buses to school. All right, bus ends B-U-S. If we want to make it plural, you add E-S, so B-U-S-E-S. Next, C-H, church. We go to church, we go to mass at church every Friday when we're at school and every Sunday on the weekend. All right, so if we are spelling the word church and we are saying we love our churches, we would add an E-S because it ends with C-H. Dish, all right, look, I only have 1 dish in the sink. 1 dish, all right? And that's because I did my dishes a little while ago. If I want to make dish plural, then I will add ES because dish is spelled D-I-S-H. Next is is X. All right, I'll use the example box. If I want to make box plural, then I will say B-O-X-E-S. So those are the skills. That's what we'll be doing on this page. Okay, good luck. I know you'll do fine. Next is our Voyages workbook. If you need to pause the video, then go ahead and do so. Next, we will be going over pages 35 and 36 in your Voyages workbook. All right. So here we go. All right, page 35. So, number 1, I like the girls' pink dresses. I like the girls' pink dresses. All right, that is our sentence. Now the question asks, is the pronoun singular or plural? Let's talk about pronouns. I, you, he, she, it, we, they. The sentence says, I like. So that's one person. In the blank, you will write singular. Number 2, which word is the possessive noun? All right, possession indicates that it belongs to someone. Remember how we were going over possession and we used apostrophe S, all right? Apostrophe S. The children's dog, apostrophe S, all right? The mommy's friend, mommy, apostrophe S, friend. It is indicating the friend of the mom. It is indicating possession. So let's look at this sentence. I like the girls' pink dresses. Do you see a word in there that has an apostrophe indicating possession? Yes, girls. The girls what? The girls' dresses. The dresses belong to the girls. It's indicating possession, and the apostrophe is giving us a little hint. Finish doing the others. And on page 36, you have 2 more to diagram. All right, y'all have a wonderful, wonderful, wonderful day. Like I always say, please make sure to get outside and enjoy some of this gorgeous weather. Maybe do some homework outside. We did that the other day. All right, have a great day, and I will talk to you soon. Bye.